Hey everyone, it's Sin from Sin Daily. I hope everybody's doing great. Today I wanted to do an unboxing of a bag that I got sent from Vantamo. I am an Amazon associate. I just became one, and I finally got accepted to the program after months and months and months of trying. They finally let me in, and I've been, working with or emailing different companies to see if they'll work with me, and this company was amazing. They were like, yeah, we would love to work with you. We would love to send you guys a bag. Well, send me a bag. And I was like, hell yeah, let's do it. So here's the bag. It just came in. My husband was like, what did you order? And I'm like, no, I didn't order anything. It was sent to me. I might order more. Okay, anyway. So here's this. Say goodbye to the dog. Vantamo. How cute. I love that. Okay. This is so nice. Ugh. I swear to God, I cannot open nothing for nothing. Do I have a... There we go. There we go. Right there. Little ASMR for you guys. All right, so we're gonna open the box. And it oh, look how it's wrapped. I love when companies do such a good job in wrapping stuff. Like, I'm a sucker for a good wrapping. Like, I love it. All right, so we're opening it now. See? Like a so. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it. Oh, how pretty. Oh, that has no smell. No chemical smell, nothing. All right, let's look at this. Okay. They have so many colors. They have white, they have red, they have pink, they have beige. They have all of it. Gray, blue. I like black because, I love black. Look how pretty. It's so pretty. And oh, they're adjustable. Look at, ugh. I'm an old lady, so. Oh, would you look at that? Do these go into each other? They go into each other. Look at that. So pretty. And there's like a little logo right there, but you really don't see it. The reason why you're seeing it now is because the light's on. But you really don't see it. Look how cute that is. I love it. All right, let's unzip it because it's probably telling me to shut up and unzip it, so I'm gonna unzip it. Oh, it smells so good inside. It's so. Oh my God, that is freaking adorable. Are you shitting me? Are you shitting me? Oh, I shouldn't say that. I'm sorry. Oh, that's so pretty. Let me shorten it and let me see how it looks like shortened. Let's just say these what do you call it? Little like buttons here. They won't come apart. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so I'm recording on my phone, so I'm going to see what fits inside. All right, so these are like a case from Alago, Amazon. I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now let's see. Look at that. It fits. It fits. It fits. What else are we going to put in here? What else are we going to put in here? I can't put prescriptions in. Oh, I mean, I can. Contact case. If you got contacts. We got covering, I think. Mascara. We got... What the hell? I'll show it to you later. I don't think it's appropriate for this. Look. Little, what the hell is a blush? Blush. I gotta stop talking like that. I'm sorry. Cream. We're filling up. We're filling up. Do I have any let me grab from this bag, from my other normal bag. And wallet. Who's gonna carry a lotion like this? Let's be honest. I'll take that out. I don't carry makeup with me. I carry makeup, but I put it in a bag and I leave it in my car. That's so nice. Look at that. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. And guess what? This bag originally is $45, and you can get it right now on Amazon for $35, okay? It's a great bag. It's amazingly made. I love it. I will probably get the blue one, but they have this gorgeous burgundy one, which I'm going to try to show you guys if I can like get a picture in there. Whatever. Anyway, it's a beautiful bag, and they have so many different colors. So guys, please go out there and go to, it's so cute. I will try to link everything below. Enjoy. Bye.